Meaning of Dadaist. Dadaist. Dadaist.
Dadaist. Dadaist. Dadaist refers to an artist, writer, or performer associated with the Dada movement. The Dada movement was a cultural and artistic movement that emerged in Europe after World War I, characterized by a rejection of traditional values and a focus on absurdity and irrationality. Dadaist art often featured unconventional materials and techniques, and was intended to undermine conventional notions of artistic value and meaning. The movement had a significant influence on modern art and literature, and remains a source of inspiration for many artists today.